Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove people in Snapseed. First of all, open the Snapseed application from your device. Tap the plus button on the middle of the screen and select a picture you would like to edit and click on the use button at the top right to use the picture. If you want to remove a person from your photo, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the Tools button. Now select Healing option. Go ahead and zoom into the area that you'd like to remove the people from. Once you get to the area, tap on the people you want to remove just like that. And as you can see that, the person from the image has now been erased. You can go ahead and do it with every other area you don't want to include on your picture. After you are done with the changes, go ahead and save the changes by tapping the tick mark at the bottom right. After you are done, click on Tools again at the bottom. Once you get to the Tools option, click on the Brush option now. After you select Brush, go ahead and choose the Dodge and Burn option. And you can use this tool in order to lighten or darken specific area. If you set it to -10, then you will be able to darken the area that you are swiping on, as you can see on the screen. Similarly, you can also use other brush tools. For example, you can use exposure and highlight the main area you'd like to focus on. Similarly, the temperature will give you a more warm look, and the saturation will help you give more colorful effect to your image. After you are done with your changes, you can simply tap the Export button in order to export your image or save your image on your device. So that is the only way you will be able to remove people in Snapseed. Simply make use of your healing tool and the brush tool in order to get your desired result. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.